23 contractual employees of Dipu Medical College and Hospital protest over termination from service. CM Debolal Gorlosa inaugurates boat riding service in Haflong. Good morning, viewers. You're watching Karbianlong Live Morning News with your host, Bon Kilingpi. And now let's look into the news in detail. After several contractual employees of Dipu Medical College and Hospital have demanded immediate regularization of their service on Saturday, their jobs were cancelled from Saturday, August 1. As a result, the 23 employees had protested the abrupt decision of the authority. Here is a short report. As told by the employees before the media persons on Saturday, they were relieved from their work on Sunday. In the morning, when they reached the hospital to perform their duty, they were shocked to learn that an order to relieve them from work was already served by the principal, Dr. Sumitra Hagjir. As such, these employees were prevented from giving their attendance in the register. Of the 23 persons, many have been working since 2011. They have been working from the time Dipu Civil Hospital was functional, and many leaders and officers from higher authority encouraged them to be patient and continue working. They were promised regularization of their service.
Senang tum lapason kecesong nangkok lo.
Nili tum cisong nangkok katheke lahan lo. Je nili tum tako ane abosor claim de pen apit. Nili tum aphan atumi. 1-2 घंटा को पेंसी नीली तुम फान वांगनांग नीलू पर ऑर्डर नीली तुम फान नोटिस dak panang pa bon pidan.
Komala lagana order
Principal si alang li nili tuम फान नोटिस nang pitilo.
Amen sono.
Principal amen bang ke Sumitra. Sumitra haje.
Mungkin kita nang itu mangkang kopi lo pitu po ganta.
Nili tum ki piche bang ke nili tum फान के DT na pache claim long nai, DT yang pache join long nang ji. Kaya teng claim ason nili tum फान pa claim long dek nang ji. Ulo nili tum bang ke beleg action tam nang kok. Nang pudon don nili tum फान. Nang nili tum फान के special 2% tum fanai po. Nang tum ke dolo already do at lo pucin fanai po. Sita me non ke piso avidel lo. People say avidel ni tum fan people say avidel ni tum do nei mati. People lo avidel ke la son.
Tumi nali tum manang than pet pen pini ke nali tum da kecewang ala keba medical long kecewang tu nali tum non ke join nam masih kebang lo body.
Oh ni tum ke ceklem long nang ji. Kai ke ceklem akam ni tum nang pa ceklem long nang ji. Ni tum ke cho an ni tum nang beg ji.
Kalau so response ke pilo nali tum ke long ke. Non join nam at lo ma.
Join nam long le dalo. Koso ni tum join nam pojo. Aro search avidel ni tum hoda signature cemari ja di rasta avidel nang tum ke pini pengke superintendent nang tum fan order lo nang PR lo nang tum ke di claim on 11% nang ji.
Disappointed with the order of the principal, these contractual employees are planning to organize dharnas and fight for their job. Further, the contractual employees who have been terminated have sought KACCM Tuliram Rohang's intervention to save their job. They have also pleaded before all social organizations to help them. They are left clueless about what to do in this pandemic situation when there is a lack of employment opportunities. News Desk report, Karbianlong Live. North Kachar Hills Autonomous Council CM Debolal Gorlosa had on Saturday inaugurated a motor boat riding service at Haflong Boat House. Here is a report. The service is introduced by the Mahasau Tourism Department to promote Haflong Lake as one of tourist spot. Initially, 3 motor boats have been put into service. Officials say that 1 more boat will be added soon. Through the media, CM Gorlosa appealed to citizens not to litter the lake as it will attract more tourists from outside. Earlier, the CM had also released 50,000 fish seeds in the lake. The council chief was accompanied by Haflong Municipal Board Chairman and MSc in charge Tourism Department, Monjit Naiding, EM Nojit Kemprai, EM Projit Hojai and other officials of Tourism Department.
हाफलोंग लेक में बोटिंग के लिए चार्ज लिया है टूरिज्म डिपार्टमेंट से और ये हाफलोंग का बाहर का आदमी लोगों को भी हम सबको भी रिक्वेस्ट करता है इसमें उठने में अपना लाइफ जैकेट उठना है लेना है और ये लेक को कोई भी गंदा नहीं करना है बोतल वगैरह नहीं फेंकना है और ये जो बोटिंग करने से बाहर का लोग भी आके यहाँ पे घूमने मिलेगा और यहाँ का लोकल आदमी लोग भी घूमने मिलेगा और टूरिज्म डिपार्टमेंट के लिए भी अच्छा होगा तो बाहर का लोग भी आता है यहाँ पे टाइम पास करने के लिए कुछ जगह नहीं होता है लेकिन ऐसे अच्छा है सुंदर है वेदर भी अच्छा है तब भी यहाँ पे टाइम पास करने के लिए एक छोटा सा हम लोग यहाँ पे प्रोग्राम काउंसिल से लिया है हाँ और इसमें टूरिज्म डिपार्टमेंट भी अच्छा से इसको गाइड करेगा अच्छा से इसको आगे लेके जाएगा और हम लोग का ईएम साहब भी है और हम लोग का टूरिज्म डिपार्टमेंट से मंजित नाइटिंग एमएसी वो भी देख रहा है और टाउन कमेटी चेयरमैन भी है आप लोगों का। उसी हिसाब से हम लोग ये आप लोगों को लेक को अच्छा से साफ सुथरा रखना मांगता है, उसमें पब्लिक भी सब साथ में देना होगा।
Suraj Barman from Haflong for Karbi Anglong Live. In a notable development, the Karbi Rongasaramai, the organization of village headmen of the hill districts of Karbi Anglong, on Sunday visited Jaipong Selawar area and held meeting with local people of the area on the matter pertaining to the Tribal Traditional Village Development Council or TVDC. The public consultation meeting was chaired by Lakhan Bay village headman Dhon Singh Bay, Karbi Rongasaramai Central Committee General Secretary Rupen Hanse, Korkanti Unit President Rohan Tokbi, Jaipong Lams Cooperative Society Chairman Thenkur Singh Terang, SGB Budho Pangcho and headmen of several villagers including the elders and youths attended the meeting. During the meeting, KRAA General Secretary Rupen Hanse informed that the long demand for implementation of Traditional Village Council under the 6th schedule is making progress and therefore the public meeting is part of this process. He reminded that the implementation of TVC is aimed at preservation of the traditional identity, culture and lives of the tribal people of the hill districts of Assam. He further informed that as part of this process, election of chairman is one of the most important part of this process. He also highlighted that educational qualification is very important requirement of selecting chairman as he would be responsible for monitoring development projects and schemes under his area or jurisdiction.
Uluni harmon club along silitum Karbi Rongasarame mahang patheglo labang so ko patheg bangke lahalo ilitum Rongasar rong rup chukimatum Rongasar penceglo kinthongasar ronghang sar diuri therake mekarasar anchot kali sorlo songotum han ilitum Rongasari ponohut sorlo songotum lunsepi sipi obokti alang litum ilitum aphan idimabe kongabe Imana vaping ve bang apre ka song tu ke ilu char dia song thong ko ni jutang song thong bang ko ni solo song thong ko tung bang song do bang amana ping ki do.
Sarpang Ring Tikathers report from Langhin for Karbi Anglong Live. The unabated incidents of theft across different areas under the Nilip MSC constituency have become a cause of great concerns among the people. And in the latest incident, the house of one Biraningti, a resident of Koilamati Joyraminti village, became the latest target as his home was burglarized on July 29, during which valuable documents and identity cards were also stolen in a broad daylight theft. According to the affected family, the incident took place on July 29 afternoon, during which the unidentified burglar ran off with 2 land patas, 2 voter IDs, 2 Aadhaar cards, 2 PAN cards, 1 ration card, 1 passbook, 1 mobile phone and 1 Airtel SIM card, due to which the family are in deep distress and dire situation. The incident took place at a time when the entire family members were out of their home and were in their paddy fields. Further, the family told Karbi Anglong Live that similar incident took place on July 25, during which 10 kgs of rice, 20 kgs of paddy rice and some other items were stolen. Meanwhile, Biraningti, the head of the affected family, issued a warning through the media that the matter would not be pursued if any person or group returns back their valuable documents within 3 days, and after that he would be forced to pursue the case, starting by filing an FIR with the Chukihola police station.
Ini nito hem pinang an ajir dinglo sok lapen sang kang bu lahai ta nito hem imbulu. Kasi ako
komentu lo masih sok sangkang bolo
lake ini jihopta lom lo
la socik luang bong
socik luang bong la si aku atumi dik abang ke nito hem arlu pen dokumen harmu imbulap lo
pipi dokumen
abang ke PAN card, ID, Aadhaar card, ako ration card, passbook lahai mukha imbul glap lo to ma hem la boson se tuni hormu kang bo pipi hormu si kang bo pon lo to buka parda kang
ke Aadhaar card, PAN card, ID, voter ID teng bo lo ke ala potanya di potata ni teng bodel ako samara ha bihetan di komen teng bodlab lo anke an pardo thulang hala reson karan teng bodlab lo ke manda ke do ankeng bodlab lo bom ta ni litum silong de kedel lo kiri nang jadim an lab lo kita lip nang jadim an ta lip lo somar ti chia cha phanta lab lo rong kom rong rai kopi sige dalang ma kana sige jok thon ma antani tumri lab lo ta lip lab lo se ta long de kedel lo
Samsonic T's report from Koilamati for Caribbean Live. That is all we have for today. Thank you for watching Caribbean Live and have a great day.